Hello folks, this is Don Cloud from Cloud Investments LLC with a June 2016 Educational Economic Update. In this month's video, we'll talk about some of the economic events that influenced markets in May and give you some insight into what they could mean for you as an investor. Now, please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. The Federal Reserve was at the top of Wall Street's mind again in May. Though the central bank voted to hold rates steady in April, the official minutes from the meeting showed that the Fed is much closer to raising rates than most experts had predicted. The report showed that the Fed is moving away from its cautious stance and is open to raising rates as soon as June or July if economic data shows healthy growth. The change in the Fed's official stance surprised many experts who weren't expecting an interest rate hike until fall or winter 2016. Remarks by Fed Chair Janet Yellen endorsed the views expressed in the official minutes. Yellen supports a rate hike within the next few months as long as economic growth picks up and the economy continues to produce jobs. Though Yellen thinks the labor market has come a long way, her concerns are over sagging wage growth and low productivity growth indicate that the Fed's economists are watching more than headline unemployment. A revised estimate of first quarter economic growth might give the Fed the ammunition it needs to raise rates this summer. The May estimate of GDP growth shows that the economy grew by 0.8% last quarter, up from the last estimate showing 0.5% growth. Though the pace of growth was significantly slower than at the end of 2015, the new data shows that spending on business inventories and home building surge, boosting growth. The current unofficial estimate of second quarter growth stands at 2.9%, indicating that the economy picked up speed in the spring. Now, will the uptake in the economic growth guarantee a summer rate hike by the Fed? Opinions are mixed. Some experts think that the economy looks healthy enough for a rate increase. Others think that global headwinds like a strong dollar, Britain's vote on leaving the EU, and China will be enough to give the Fed pause. We'll know more after the mid-June Federal Open Market Committee meeting. As always, we'll keep you informed. Well, that's it for June's Educational Economic Update. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call at the number below. Now, here are some upcoming events that we'd like you to know about. Our halftime report, July 29th at 11 a.m. or 5:30 p.m. Rejuvenate Your Retirement, sponsored by Drake State Downtown Campus, will be August 2nd and 9th from 1 to 3 p.m. Retirement Planning Today, held at Calhoun Community College in Decatur, will be August 2nd and 9th or 16th and 23rd, and that's from 5:30 to 8:30 p.m. Maximize Your Social Security Planning event will be held at Northwest Shoals Community College. Now this will be August 11th or a second date on the 18th, and that will be at 6 p.m. Once again, this is Don Cloud with Cloud Investments LLC signing off for the month of June 2016. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 256-715-0094. We'd be happy to talk to you.
While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investment advisory services offered through Cloud Investments LLC, a registered investment advisor in the state of Alabama. Insurance products and services are offered through Cloud Financial Incorporated. Cloud Investments LLC and Cloud Financial Incorporated are affiliated companies.